Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pep's Corner. Today we will start a new book. That's right, brand new book titled Oceans. And we will read from pages 5 through 9. Our focus and purpose for reading is posted on the screen. So go ahead, boys and girls, go grab your book. Make sure your book is in hand and you are actively reading and following along. Remember, boys and girls, to reread a second time so you are coming to shared reading fully prepared to engage in instruction. Let's begin. Page 5. Earth is different from any other planet or moon in the solar system. It is the only one with liquid water on its surface. In fact, more than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Although we speak of the Atlantic and the Pacific as separate oceans, the world is really covered by a single body of water in which the continents are islands. Echo soundings of the ocean floor show mountains more than twice as tall as Mount Everest and canyons 6 times as deep as the Grand Canyon. A computer was used to produce this map of the land beneath the waves. Blues show the deepest spots and the yellows the shallowest. The average depth is 2¼ miles. The main features on this map are the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, 1, part of the longest mountain chain in the world, deep ocean trenches, 2 and 3, and undersea mountains that rise above the waves to become islands, 4 and 5. There is an enormous amount of water in the oceans, more than 1/2 quintillion. Yep, 1/2 quintillion. 15 followed by 17 zeros. Tons. That's 100 billion gallons for each person in the world. Yet the amount of water in the oceans has remained much the same for many millions of years. That is because most of the water that evaporates into the air returns to the sea in the form of rain or snow. Even the water that falls on the land finally runs downhill in rivers and streams to the sea. All this water is constantly in motion, driven by the sun's energy. The sun warms ocean waters, especially in the tropics, where the sun's rays are most direct. That warms the air at the surface of the waters, which then picks up moisture. Some of the moisture in the air condenses into clouds, releasing more heat into the atmosphere. The uneven heating causes winds that blow across the surface of the sea, producing waves and currents. These carry heat energy for thousands of miles from the warm waters around the equator to the colder waters of the polar regions.